everyone, let's get ready to do some Heggerty exercises. Today we're going to start with rhyming again. I'll say the two words, you repeat the words, and then thumbs up if they rhyme and thumbs down if they do not rhyme. Here we go. Hot pot. Those are rhyming. Fun run. Also rhyming. Mad mom. Not rhyming. Big pig. Rhyming. Sat mat. Rhyming. Set ham. Not rhyming. Bed fed. Rhyming. Hop mop. Also rhyming. Bit fit. Rhyming. Had lid. Not rhyming. Good work. All right, let's do beginning sounds. I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we'll say the beginning sound together. Here we go. Cap. K. Farm. F. Heart. H. King. K. Male. Pain. P. Read. R. Table. T. Win. W. Zebra. Z. Good. Okay, let's do word blending. I will say the two smaller words, you repeat them, and then we'll clap them together. Here we go. Girlfriend. Girlfriend. Bean bag. Bean bag. Sandbox. Sandbox. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Milkshake. Milkshake. Popcorn. Popcorn. Myself. Myself. Overnight. Overnight. Washcloth. Washcloth. Doorway. Doorway. Good job. Okay, now we're going to listen for ending sounds. I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then we'll together make the ending sound. Here we go. Ride. D. Laugh. F. Wag. G. Like. K. Bell. L. Some. Own. Jeep. P. Lips. S. Right. T. Good. Okay, so now we're going to take our compound word. I'm going to say it, you're going to repeat it, and then we're going to break it into smaller words. Here we go. Highway. Highway. Zookeeper. Zoo. Keeper. Shoelace. Shoe. Lace. Peanut. Nut. Himself. Himself. Broomstick. Broomstick. Scarecrow. Scarecrow. Daylight. Daylight. Seashells. Seashells. Cupcake. Cupcake. Good work. Okay, so now we're going to do word substitution. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, And then we're going to change the beginning part of the word to make a different word. Here we go. The word is rainstorm. Change rain to snow. Snowstorm. The word is hideout. Change hide to work. Workout. The word is baseball. Change base to foot. Football. The word is earache. Change ear to head. Headache. The word is basketball. Change basket to snow. Snowball. Nice job. Okay, so now we're going to add some words. We're going to start with a word, and you're going to repeat it, and then we're going to add another word to the end. See what we make. Here we go. The word is snow. Add ball to the end. Snowball. The word is rain. Add bow to the end. Rainbow. The word is every. Add day to the end. Every day. The word is any. Add time to the end. Anytime. The word is bed. Add room to the end. Bedroom. Good job. Okay, let's do some word deletion now. So I'll say a word, and then we're going to remove the ending part to see what we are left with. Here we go. The word is sometime. Without time, the word is some. The word is weekday. Without day, the word is week. The word is washroom. Without room, the word is wash. The word is outdoors. Without doors, the word is out. The word is firewood. Without wood, the word is fire. Excellent. Okay, so last exercise, we're going to count the words in these sentences, and we have a couple really big ones. Here we go. We like to read. That's 4. My teacher is nice. That's 4 also. I think you are nice too. 6. Do you sleep in a big bed? 7. My best friend plays with me. 6 again. My school is close to home. 6 again. Kindergarten is great. And that one's 3. Nice job today, guys.